Devendra Nath Roy, a member of the West Bengal Legislative Assembly (MLA) from the Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP), was found dead near his house in West Bengal's Uttar Dinajpur district this morning, as per a media report. BJP leaders and his family members have alleged that he was murdered. BJP President JP Nadda has expressed shock at Roy's deplorable and suspected heinous killing and condemned the incident. With no sign of coronavirus cases falling in India, several states that have been worse hit by the virus outbreak have taken fresh measures to curb the rising infection spike. As per media reports, several states including Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh observed a weekend lockdown. Other states have also issued stricter lockdowns in worse affected cities. At present, infections are rising sharply in India, with case figures for each day hitting a record high. The deadly virus has infected over 8.49 lakh people in the country so far. Manipur reported 16 fresh cases of COVID-19 in the last 24 hours. The total COVID-19 cases in the state now stands at 1,609. According to the COVID-19 Command Control Room update, the fresh cases were confirmed at the Viral Research and Diagnostic Laboratory (VRDL) of Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS, Imphal, and Sub-District Hospital, Jiribam. The number of active cases now stands at 713, while the number of recoveries is 896 in the state. In the past 24 hours, 53 recovered patients were discharged from COVID care centers across the state. Nagaland has recorded the highest single-day spike in the number of COVID-19 cases, as 71 more persons have tested positive for COVID-19 this morning out of 816 samples sent for testing. With the addition of the new COVID-19 cases, the state's tally crossed 800 mark as compared to 774 yesterday. As of today, the total number of COVID-19 cases in the state stands at 845. Fertilizers were distributed to the farmers of Langmaithet under Hairo constituency of Thoubal district at low prices. It was a joint initiative of nominee Kaisham Kartik Singh and Booth Level Committee Langmaithet under the supervision of Hairo constituency MLA and State Education Minister Thokchom Radheshyam. Troops of 109 Battalion CRPF under the aegis of IJP Manipur and Nagaland sector conducted a tree plantation drive at Mongsangai yesterday. Around 2,300 different saplings were planted during the program, an initiative taken by CRPF across the nation. During the program, saplings were also distributed to the residents of Mongsangai for further planting at their courtyards. Assam has detected 735 new positive coronavirus cases in last 24 hours, making the state tally at 16,806. According to reports, out of the new cases, 400 have been reported from Guwahati city. The state's death toll stands at 36 after a man with no history of comorbidities died at Jorhat Medical College Hospital after getting infected, reports said. The COVID-19 situation in Guwahati seems to have worsened as the capital city registered 4,624 positive cases in the last 9 days. Senior Indian and Chinese commanders are expected to meet for a fourth meeting this week along the Line of Actual Control (LAC) in eastern Ladakh, according to media reports. It is further informed that both sides are working on finalizing the date. 21 people suffered minor injuries in an explosion and fire on board a ship at Naval Base San Diego yesterday, military officials said. According to a media report, the blaze was reported shortly before 9 a.m. on USS Bonham Richard, said a spokesperson for Naval Surface Force US Pacific Fleet Mike Renee. The World Health Organization (WHO) noted another record increase in global coronavirus cases with 230,370 in 24 hours. According to media reports, the biggest jump was seen in US, Brazil, India, and South Africa. The total number of coronavirus cases registered across the globe has now passed 13 million and nearly 5.7 lakh deaths. India, currently placed third in terms of COVID-19 cases, has nearly 8.5 lakh coronavirus cases and over 22,000 deaths. Russia's Sechenov University has successfully completed the human trial round of the world's first coronavirus vaccine, according to a report by Sputnik News. Vadim Tarasov, the director of the Institute for Transitional Medicine and Biotechnology, told Sputnik that the university has completed the trial of the vaccine developed by the Gamaleya Institute, an epidemiology research center in Moscow.